Hello, and here's my new series. The four elements of the howl. The four elements of the howl, and this is my new series, and hope you enjoy. Everybody's so weak these days. Hello, cons. Oh, we're already messing up. I see you brought a good bounty to the gathering. Blizzard, the leader of the pack of snow. I like to call it the pack of winter because my pack seems very puny when you say pack of snow. Do we agree? Yes. Very small. Yeah. We're no peaks. We like the clan of Earth. I mean the clan of dirt. See what I did there? Huh? I can't tell you're talking to the dead bull or me. Ugh. Okay. I don't think we came here to fight. This is the gathering of peace, not the gathering of make fun of other packs because they don't have lots of wolves. And in my opinion, were you a wolf dog, young one? So, if I'm just going to give you a compliment, one, I'm not that young, and two, I don't think you're older than the oldest wolf in each pack. Excuse me? If we want to fight, why bring a big pound of meat with us? Yeah. I agree, this is the peace gathering, not the gathering of fight. And now we're going to present how our packs have been doing by the food we have caught for the gathering, like I said again. It's funny you keep waving around that puny little wand of yours. We have a big thing, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Ancestors picking out weird bone-looking things. Can we proceed? Yeah, I don't want to waste my time. Come on. Dark. You say my name like it's like you don't like it or something. Hurry up, be respectful. And this is what I present to all of you. What have I brought? A bull has not been from a human's place / farm ranch, whatever you want to call it. But I bring you the biggest bull out of its herd, and it has not been in captivity. That's why it's wild. I presume it will probably to your clans, packs, that it was not easy to hunt. That's why you probably would have lost members. But my pack would have just got a tiny little scratch. Good thing we have a good leader. He makes it seem like gods or something. I guess. This is annoying. I can't tell. He doesn't even know what he's remembering to say or what. Ugh. Don't worry. When we present our meal, food, we're all bad in front of the other packs. Not really. We're probably the second best. Look over there. Huh? They have only birds, the prey of pups. It's hilarious. Yeah. And that's what I give you. The I guess pay due for our piece. That's not really how you. That's not how the packs go. But we would like to be last because we have two great things to say for our pack and the peace offering. Sphere. What's it called again? Oh my god. Just forget it. Okay, you can move on. Everybody's forgetting their oaths now. Okay, now bring over the food we hunt to show the strength of our pack. We got it. We got some birds. Probably you for brains or what do you call it? Couldn't hunt that. Look, are these two brothers? Stop making a fool of yourself, Red. Get back over here. Oh, yes. And this is what we brought for the peace offering reunion, or whatever you want to call it. You brought 2 puny birds. Everybody laugh. Pathetic. It chooses wisely of your pack to have foxes, only foxes. And when I seen you only have foxes and I think a coyote pup, 2 wolves, I don't think that's even a pack in my words. Wimps. I don't think it's really good or wise to laugh at other packs. Oh, you're so lame, Bone. Well, we would give our offering, the meal we brought for the gathering. Bring out. Come on. Out of it, I guess. What? Okay. Huh? This is what our pack has brought. What took you so long? You like stayed here for like a whole day or something. Let's just get back what we're doing. And another great thing that has brought upon our pack. See there? My mate is pregnant to the heir to our throne, or to be next alpha. Oh, congratulations, Shadow. And Dusk. Thank you. Thank you. Yada yada. Let me go to my great news I forgot to mention because I was just too carried away how kind of pathetic your hunts are and how great of what my dang staff thing. Get back over here. Don't get it. I don't have time to pester that. Okay. Now give it to me. Thank you. And where was I? Yes. That I hunt this grand beauty of mine. It just smashes all of your snacks, I guess you could say. And another good news I have, blah, 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 blah. My mate is giving birth to my heir to the throne. Last I heard, she ran off with a stray dog. Did you say something, Tornado? I couldn't hear you over how mumbling you were. No, I said nothing to offend you. Just saying congratulations to the new birth of the Shadow Clan's new heir. Or heirs. Heirs to the throne. And congratulations to you too, Blizzard. Thank you. You can stop giving me so much compliments and congratulations. No one has said anything. Is he mentally unstable or something? Shh. Now, hope you stay tuned and hope you enjoyed the first episode of the 4 elements of the howl, or the howl of the elements.